Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I'm back with another Connect United video, the super ecosystem where we have the chance to participate in different projects, different companies that are offering solutions with the help of blockchain. All of these companies are offering phenomenal innovations, solutions that can really change the world. And in return, we're gonna get rewards that later we can change into different cryptocurrencies. All we need to do is run their software. That software is called Node. Each company has a different node. We can buy those nodes right here inside Connect United. Last week I made a video about the Switch Smart Node. This company is focusing in communication. They also have a digital card. We can also use their system to swap all the rewards into different cryptocurrencies. Last week the price of this node was under 9,000. Today, if you want to get the Switch node, is 9,000 for one node. They've been doing this for many years now. In the first stages, the nodes were super affordable. Now, thanks to the success of these companies, all those nodes are increasing in value. That is also going to increase your daily rewards. This is completely passive. Once you set it up, you just let it run. They're introducing two other nodes, the Rally Smart Node and Rep Smart Node. The price for each one of those is 2,500, but after the 30th of April, the price of those nodes are going to increase. They already announced it. The reason why is because the pre-sale is being super successful, more liquidity going in. So if you already purchased these nodes, then you're gonna have an increase in value after the 30th of April. Or if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, you can purchase it at this price only until the end of the month. If you see the potential here, but still you think the price entry is too high, just stay with me until the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can get a Wink Smart Node for only 500 USDT. What I want to do first is introduce you to this company called Galvan. They have an app that we can all download and start to use, but I want you to see this not as a consumer. I want you to see this from the provider's perspective, how we can help the people using this app and how we can get rewarded. To do that, I'm going to play the video that is going to explain everything in detail. And after that, I will show you how to get the discount for your smart node.
Who is responsible for your health? Is it your doctor? Your local hospital? Your nutritionist? Personal trainer? Or is it you? The answer should be obvious, yet our healthcare system gets rewarded when you're sick and rewards nobody when you're healthy. Do you see a problem with that? Exercise plays a massive role in your health. It can lower the risk of heart disease by 25%, type 2 diabetes by 50%, colon cancer by 24%, breast cancer by 21%. Exercise also significantly reduces depression, dementia, and Alzheimer's risks. But only 1 in 5 adults exercise regularly. Dr. Adam Sharp, an emergency physician, treated patients with these medical conditions on a daily basis. He knew there had to be a better way to motivate people to exercise, make healthy choices, and take ownership of their health. His search led him to discover a new kind of technology called blockchain. Blockchain is the crowdsourcing and sharing of people's personal computers to create the next version of the internet, often called Web 3.0. Dr. Sharp learned how this shared network could track, then create rewards for healthy behaviors using digital rewards. In his mind, Dr. Sharp envisioned a network of hundreds of thousands of computers, all working together to create a giant force for good, a supercomputer, one that would give people who joined it revolutionary tools that could improve healthcare, both for the individual and ultimately the world at large. But this blockchain wouldn't be owned by Dr. Sharp or any single organization. It would be a network that belonged quite literally to anyone who participated in building it by adding their computer to the blockchain. A community of like-minded individuals who shared Dr. Sharp's dream of making the world a healthier place. These community members would contribute just a fraction of their computer's processing power, to help run the blockchain, and in return, each would be rewarded with digital tokens. By 2021, the community had formed, creating a network large enough to launch what became known as the EYES blockchain. With this backbone in place, Dr. Sharp founded Galvin, a company that would create products that would run on the EYES blockchain. The first product was the Galvin Plus app, a smartphone app that connects to your wearable device to track both your physical activity and the state of your mental health using AI voice recognition. The Galvin Plus app incentivizes daily physical exercise programs and weekly mental health check-ins and rewards users for meeting their personal health and wellness goals. Just adding these two habits will have a dramatic effect on people's overall health, impacting their mind, body, and soul. But the Galvin Plus app is just the first step. Galvin aims to transform the global healthcare system using the EYES blockchain, creating transparency that will lead to better health worldwide. Galvin's future may also include community-led initiatives to improve quality of care, reduce the cost of medical procedures, and ensure people get the best medications. Perhaps Galvin's most ambitious goal is to give individuals ownership of their medical records with unrestricted access and control of all their health documents. The EYES blockchain is already solving real-world health and wellness problems, but this community needs your help. These are enormous issues, and it's going to take an enormous network to keep up. So, if you can see the vision, if you can feel the passion, if you want to become a part of the solution, then connect your computer to the EYES blockchain and join the mission. Purchase your EYES Node software. Set up your computer as a link in the EYES blockchain and begin receiving digital rewards for your participation every single day. Help build a network that will build a healthier future and begin earning digital rewards from the EYES blockchain today.
So there you go, that's Galvin, one of the companies inside the Connect United ecosystem. Very interesting project. If you want to get started, I have a full guide showing all the steps that you need to follow. I'm going to put that one right here in the top corner. And also, as I told you, I'm going to show you how to get a discount. They have this node called the Win Smart node. This is attached to the referral side of Connect United. Don't worry, you don't need to promote this. You can use it just passively. It works exactly the same like the other nodes. We purchase it and we let it run in our computer, or, and that's the best option, run it on a virtual server. Inside the detail guide, I'm showing how to do all of that. But pay attention. Right here says the price is 2,000. If I select one node, there you're gonna find all the coupons. If you don't see those, just click in this link. It's going to relieve 4 different discounts. Here below says 2,000, but if I click in apply, now I can get that one node for only 500 USDT. You have 4 coupon codes. Right there you will pay 2,000, but instead of one node, you're gonna get 4. That's how it works. If you want to see the returns that you can have inside this opportunity, if you want to see the evolution of the accounts, I can show you that inside my open Telegram group. The link, you can find it in the description of this video. This was my quick update on Connect United. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you in the next one.